Okay, so this video is about modeling a flexible piezoresistive sensor. Here it's graphite, but it could be other materials. So the basic concept is something like this. There's a cantilever blade or beam, and there's a force on it, and there's a piezo resistance here, and we will try to measure the resistance and from that calculate the force. Okay, so this is the model in OOFELIE AI. We can see it here. So this is imported, not created inside OOFELIE. And for the analysis module, we have two materials defined, and we have the clamp here, null potential, current density here, and we have a bunch of forces defined on the edge of the blade. Okay, and so the mesh, we can view the mesh. We have generated the mesh automatically. And for the solver settings, you can view them here. We have a bunch of different settings. So these are usually you don't need to change them unless you have a specific needs. So we have mumps for the linear solver, and okay. And as for the results of the simulation, so for example, you can see the electric potential on the piezoresistive part here in volts. And so this is the nodal displacement. So right now, this is the nodal displacement of, I believe it's here. Okay, so this is the magnitude of the displacement. However, we can also change it into different components. So for example, in the x direction, we can see the displacement here. You can see it's displaced from the edge. And in the y direction now, and obviously there's a z direction. Okay, and the units here obviously and how much it's doing, how much of the displacement is happening. You can also do functions. So this is a very basic function here that we have defined, but you can have different functions and different plots created here, and you can use it for tracking different values in your simulation while you're trying to optimize your design. Yep. So that's it for this simulation.